Have you ever had that one friend who was just insanely talented? I had a good friend like that. This guy was just amazing. Like, I would practice playing a song on the piano for weeks, and he'd learn how to play it in a day. I would try my hand at drawing, and he would be hailed as the second coming of Picasso. I would be struggling to finish my syllabus, and this guy would just cruise through them with not a worry in the world. I met him just a few days back, and I was very well prepared to be facetiously praising the achievements he had no doubt accumulated, but something strange had happened. He had given up all the wild goals he said he would achieve, and when I asked why, the answer was simple. There's always someone better. What's the point? That, I suppose, is what separates success from failure. And is the point that Angela Duckworth has explained eloquently in her book, Grit. Anyone striving to succeed, be it parents, students, educators, athletes, or business people, should learn that the secret to outstanding achievement is not talent, but a special blend of passion and persistence, which the author has labeled as grit. To be gritty, an individual doesn't need to have an obsessive infatuation with a goal. Rather, he needs to show consistency over time. The grittiest people have developed long-term goals and are constantly working toward them, and that makes all the difference. What really drives success is not genius, but a unique combination of passion and long-term perseverance. In Grit, she takes readers into the field to visit cadets struggling through their first days at West Point, teachers working in some of the toughest schools, and young finalists in the National Spelling Bee, exploring fascinating insights from history and modern psychological experiments in an attempt to explain the formula for happiness. Why an effort you make counts twofold towards your goal. How can grit be learned? How lifelong interest is triggered, how much of optimal practice is suffering, and how much ecstasy. The ideas in this book have the potential to transform education, management, and the way its readers live. And for anyone who wants to succeed, this is a great read.